squeezing me! Emergency! Yes, we need help immediately! There's a crash on the highway! Please hurry! You mean he's gone? I don't understand. I'm almost there. Just tell me where he is. Push it! You are almost there. Keep going. Over here! Follow me! The injured are just up ahead! Keep steady, easy, we're almost there.
Just relax, man, we've got it.
It's so tight, please hurry.
Watch the median. Don't let it cross the highway. Net team, move up now. All right, your vitals look stable. We're gonna get you somewhere safe now. On 3, 1, 2, 3. Got it, it's almost clear. Pull the drawstring now, quickly. We did it. Keep moving, watch the foam. Almost got it, hold the bag steady. Okay, I'm clearing the hooks now. Okay, almost done here. You're doing great. Just a little more to clean up.
Safe now. Help is on the way. Just try to relax. We've got you. We're moving you now. Do you need anything else?
3, 1, 2, 3.
Watch the clearance.
Strap secure. Closing doors.
See you later, guys. Wish me luck.